am Inky the Blue Ghost and sad and depressed because of Pinky taking a vacation. She is our pink wife.
Bro, nobody cares about your depression. Nah, shut up and get back to work.
Am I the only one ghost who has to hire some stupid people for this help wanted?
Approximately 10 hours later.
You know what? I can't take it anymore of waiting. Where are we going to get a replacement now?
Well, I guess I'm late for work.
Are you finished with your
Yes,
homework?
yes, I know what I'm doing.
I don't want to talk right now. Just go. Okay, I was very depressed and sad because I hate my job here. And I hate my life as well. What? You mean it? What's an old-fashioned drink anyways? You know, this old-fashioned drink is almost making me feel real better. I think I want to drink it the second time.
5 minutes later.
Oh no, I drink too much old-fashioned and now I become drunk.
Before I continue running, I just need to say that Vintage Pac-Brew is very late to slapping rings, pellets, or whatsoever. So I'll just have to grab an errand. You'll have to pretend that I'm grabbing rings in this bloomies from now on.
Horrible, absolutely terrible. Here's your stinking medal.
12 o'clock midnight.
Un video más, mi gente. Me gustaría saber desde dónde tú pides el tiempo.
Bang.
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah! Ah! Go crazy! Go stupid! Ah! Go crazy!
Why the hell was that little green creep want cookie?
The next day.
I am Inky the Blue Ghost and happy and drunk because of Bonnie giving me an old-fashioned. She is our new pink wife.
Hey, I'm Clyde the Orange Ghost. I'm very scared of Bunny. No, I stopped goofing around and realized that she's a murderer. Oh, Pac-Bird, please come save us.